I think for us that's the first step. Can we change what we have control over? And that's why we chose those five reforms area. I mean, they're just fundamental. That's just easily. I mean, we have the most onerous visa system. We are now one of the most important and critical areas where we revolutionize, and one of the top countries that have a state-of-the-art visa system, from a critical skills visa, temporary, sorry, the employment, the trusted employer scheme, a points-based system. We're moving into a electronic travel authorization that we've now launched for that. I'm just saying that was in our control. Similar for energy, similar for transport. What we've created is an opportunity for the private sector. Now we've got to create a confidence that we're not going to change that. And I think that's what you're sort of hinting towards. That for us, that was the most important and first step, that we can make the policy shift that is ideologically sometimes very different and difficult to do, and that we've got
Mm,
to make those changes. And sometimes those ideological shift is not a big ideological shift. It's certainly because we've adopted an economy where competition is critical. That we've got to play a regulatory role, but we also got to play a developmental role. Because the private sector is not going to deal with every part of the economy.